Hello and welcome to Taik. I am Mohammad Adnan and in this video we are going to discuss about, are you ready for the challenge? If yes, let's begin. And before do that, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. Now you will have a thought like why I need to take this challenge, right? So I will give you the answer and how it can be done in a moment. So this is actually I'm discussing about this Microsoft Cloud Skill Challenge, which is 30 days to learn it. So how do you plan on thriving in your field, complete a challenge within 30 days and take a next step in becoming a subject matter expert? So there are lots of benefits out of it. So what are the benefits means? Develop a proficiency with the most in-demand skills and advance your career. And if you see this one, trained and certified teams responsible for core IT activities are generally 20% more productive than uncertified staff. So this is in the Microsoft website itself, and this is a survey what they have taken. And 58% of experienced career improvement. More than half of the certified professionals reported that Azure certification have helped them improve their career progression opportunities. And 42% received higher pay. So in one survey, almost half of the professionals who earned Azure certifications ended up increasing their salary. So this is the reason if you want to take this 30 days challenge examination, then you can take it here. I'm going to add this link in this video description. So please go and check out that video description as well. And here, what are the challenges which it covers here? So basically it covers Azure Virtual Desktop Fundamentals and Azure Cosmos DB Developer and Azure AI Fundamentals, build apps with Microsoft Graphs, Microsoft 365 Developer, Azure Solution Architect, Azure Developer, Java on Azure Developer, Power Platform App Maker, DevOps Engineer, Azure Data Scientist, Azure Synapse Analytics. So these are the things which it covers here. And if you want to get started with any of those, let's say for an example, if I take an example of Azure AI Fundamentals, if I click on Get Started, then it's going to open up a new page where it gives an information about this Azure. So, and let me zoom out here. So here it says, get a solid foundation in machine learning and AI concept, including computer vision, natural language processing, and conventional AI. This learning journey is designed for participants with both technical and non-technical backgrounds in about 10 hours. So you will learn how to create no-code predictive models, explore conversational AI, and so much more. So here the challenge details which it mentioned here is about predetermined learning content, participant chosen content, and individual and teams competition. So you will have 30 days to complete the challenge, and if you want to begin, if you click here, then it will begin this challenge. Then you need to complete this within 30 days. So here the benefit out of it, one thing is you are going to learn things free of cost from the Microsoft itself, and the good thing is you need to and the good thing is you will get a discounted certification voucher, exam certification vouchers here. So if you go to this one, frequently asked questions, discounted certification exam code will be delivered by email within 30 days of completing all modules within a challenge. So you need to complete one module in 30 days, then you will be able to get this. And also you will need to have an email for notification. Save in your Microsoft Learn profile prior to completing the challenge to receive this email. So now you will say, I'm going to take 3 or 4 challenges and will I get exam certification for that? Each person is only eligible to receive one discounted certification exam code every 6 months. So if you complete an additional challenges more than 6 months after receiving your first code, you will be eligible for another code at that time. So now if you want to take multiple exams within a period of 6 months, then you will get only one discount voucher. But how much the discount is, they are not mentioned here. Maybe it will be 30, 50 or 70%, I believe. Or even there is a chance that they will give as a free of cost for that. So let's hope for the best for this one. So these are the things which I want to highlight you so that you can learn free of cost, and also you will get certification with discounted price, and also you will success in your career path. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed it, just click on the subscribe button. Also share this video with others, or at least the link with others, so that they can also aware of these things and also they can progress in their career. So this is free to share, and keep sharing the good things. So keep learning. See you in the next video.